Hello, hi everyone. I am Prakhar. I'm the co-founder at Syndie. I work around sales, growth, marketing, community building, sometimes product design and management. All of those things at Syndie. I wanted to quickly record this loom. I was very keen today to show you a couple of campaigns that worked out immensely well for me the last 1 month, and I want everyone's campaigns in Cindy to work something like that. I also wanted to show you the results, how it actually contributes to revenue, how it contributes to actual conversations, and a lot of demo calls, sales calls, customer success calls, all of those things. So I wanted to basically share that campaign flow with everyone. Anyone who wants that, you could just quickly reply on this mail, and I will send you the JSON file, the exported file that you could directly import into Cindy in your campaign flow. And I'm pretty sure you would also receive about the same results that I did. Let me show you what happened. So these are my campaigns. Let me go on to my account. So I ran a couple of campaigns last month on 19th. Today is 22nd of July. This was 19th of June. These campaigns ran around for 3.5 weeks. So in the last couple of weeks, I've been taking a lot of demo calls. I have been showing users these campaigns, and everyone was pretty happy with the results. So I just wanted to again, I thought, why not just share it with everyone? Yeah, the thing is, I ran these two campaigns, and if you see, in 3.5 weeks, around 3 weeks something, I had more than 500 something requests sent. Out of those, 272 got accepted. Out of which, on the first go, basically without any follow up messages, more than 170 messages got replied to with a good positive reply. That means I had more than 170 people in my inbox trying to talk, or at least try with whom I can have a real conversation in just 3 weeks. Basically, at least 10 conversations every day, and at least a couple of conversations of those, three to four conversations of those actually converted to demo calls, which is a very very good problem to have. Sometimes I did not have time to take those demo calls. For example, I'll show you my calendar here. Yeah, this is my calendar. So this was how it looked in the last month, literally. If you see, June, it was crazy looking. Every single day, I had so many, calls every day. One, two, three. Not just calls. These were demo calls. Every 30-minute call that you see around here, or any booked call from cal.com. These are all demo calls. So that's something that I wanted to kind of show, and wanted to share this, impart this information with everyone. I'll show you the flow too. The flow is pretty good. It's very uh, it's a very professional flow. It gets you to the answer of a yes or no. Basically, uh, I have some AI configurations while I send the connection request that gets me a lot of acceptances, because the AI analyzes the person's profile and their company profile too while messaging them, even the recent activity, and along with some specific insight out of those things. So it gets me a lot of replies. Now the next three messages I will share you if you if you reply to this mail. Yeah, basically, these are some of the messages that we send. I'll not block this. I'll not gatekeep this. But yeah, this helped me a lot. So at the end, I generally keep a question here. Mind if I send it over? Thought it might be useful to you. So here is when I get a yes or no answer. As soon as I get a yes answer, that means the lead is interested. It's a warm lead. As soon as I get a no answer, I know that there's no need to nurture this lead. Other than this, let's say you did not your connection request doesn't get accepted, you can send a mail here, right? That's the newest thing that with Cindy here, that there's a lot of AI configurations around sending an email. You could tell the person that I tried connecting with you on LinkedIn, it didn't work out, maybe we could connect on mail. And the thing is, a lot of people check their mails. People have been checking their mails for decades now. Maybe they check their LinkedIn once in a while, but they check their mails at least 3 times a day. So getting a reply back on mail, a personalized mail, I should add here, a personalized mail, like the personalized message that you're sending on LinkedIn, same amount of people, same amount of personalization with those mails can get you a lot of people being interested and replying to you, and all these mails. So just have a look at the amount of customization that can be done here, and for what, just one credit. just one Syndie credit, and that too we give 500 free credits. So, well, it's on you. How do you want to, start with that? Along with this, I wanted to please ask everyone to, if you find any value with us, if you have found any value with us for the last, maybe 5 months or 6 months of our running time, please, review us on G2 would be a big help for us. We are trying to, gain some recognition. We're trying to help more and more people around there. And, this is just coming from me, honestly. Please, review us on G2. And, if there's anything else, please book a call with me 101. We could sit down and understand how we could get some better results. I'm always available for that. Cool. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's it from my end. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great